Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start now. Pick a microwave-safe mug and put in your tea bag or an infuser with 1 TSB loose tea. Pour 200-250 ml cold water into the cup so the leaves have room to expand. Place the mug centrally in the microwave to promote even heating. Heat on high for 60 to 90 seconds depending on your oven's wattage. Pause to check if the water is near boiling. You're creating the proper temperature. Once heated, remove the mug carefully and place the tea bag or infuser into the hot water to steep. You'll steep 2 to 5 minutes for black tea and 1 to 3 minutes for delicate greens or whites. This controls bitterness and strength. Make sure to press the bag only lightly to avoid extra tannins. If the flavor is weak, add a pinch more tea or a short 10-15 second heat burst to warm after additions. Keep tasting until it's balanced for you. To finish, remove the bag or infuser and stir in sugar, honey, or milk as you prefer. Test the temperature so you don't burn your mouth. If the tea tastes bitter, dilute with a bit of hot water or add milk to soften the tannins. If it's weak, use more tea or steep a touch longer next time. If you see no bubbles, wait 10 to 15 seconds before lifting the cup to avoid superheated bursting. That quick pause prevents dangerous splashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.